Here's a quick video explaining how to use the documents endpoint to create a summary based on other existing documents. First, I'm on docs.corti.ai under Templates and Documents, Advanced Document Generation, and we'll scroll down to the Working with Other Existing Documents subsection. Here you'll see a curl example calling the documents endpoint, passing in your authentication credentials and specifying data type string and inserting here the contents of your notes or other documents or other information and content that you want to have summarized and utilizing the template key summary of notes. Under the API reference, you can see the detailed specification for generating documents here. I'll switch over to Postman and show an example. First, I'm going to create an interaction. When I create the interaction ID is what I'll utilize in my document requests URL. And here you'll see I have just an existing clinical note inserted as my string text that will be used for the summary of notes example. I'll then make this request, and my output will include two sections in the summary of notes template. Okay, so the first section in the summary of notes is a brief clinical note. This is going to be a one paragraph summary of the input text that was provided. In the second section, you'll see a summary of health concerns, which is a bulleted list of pertinent clinical details that were existing in the note. Here we see the first bullet is for persistent dry cough and fatigue. Then we have a bullet about hypertension, a bullet about seasonal allergies, another bullet about allergies, no known drug allergies, and then the assessment. You'll see also how many tokens were utilized for this request and the date and time that it was created, and the output language, of course, in this example is in English, as specified in my request. If you have any information on how to utilize this effectively, or if you'd like to see changes to the output of the summary, the logic that's utilized to create the summary, of course, please reach out. This is just one example of how this one template is behaving, and there's a lot of different options we can explore to make that more refined and more robust. We're also building out a more formal summary endpoint that would support this action by specifying different IDs and content that you want to have summarized based on the interaction. We hope you have fun testing it. Let us know your feedback. Thank you.